Black holes are probably the most terrifying and mysterious celestial bodies in the universe. Any matter or light will be sucked into a black hole if it gets close. If a human were to be sucked into a black hole, it is thought that the strong gravitational force would stretch them out like spaghetti. Furthermore, the same outcome would be reached even if it were the Earth or the Sun. So, what is inside a black hole? Black hole is not a hole in space, but, apart from the fact that it has extremely strong gravity, it is the same celestial body as the Earth and the Sun. The main body of a black hole is thought to be a point that has been infinitely crushed by an excessively strong gravitational force, called a gravitational singularity. Also, because black holes have extremely strong gravity, once they have been sucked into a black hole, even stars and light cannot escape. And the boundary where light and matter cannot escape is called an event horizon. Because light is absorbed at the event horizon, the inside of a black hole appears pitch black. It was thought that black holes, which neither emit nor reflect light, were only theoretical. However, the existence of black holes was confirmed in 2015 when gravitational wave was observed. And you've probably seen the image of a black hole taken in 2019 at least once. The black hole photographed in 2019 is located at the center of galaxy M87, which is 50 million light-years away from Earth. Its mass is an incredible 6.5 billion times of the solar mass. In this way, black holes are terrifying celestial bodies, but they do not exist forever. Black hole gradually shrinks over time and eventually evaporates. This phenomenon is called Hawking radiation, and the existence of it was proposed by the famous physicist Stephen Hawking in 1974. Hawking applied the ideas of quantum theory, which are the physical laws of the microscopic world, to black holes. According to quantum theory, even in what appears to be an empty vacuum, pairs of virtual particles are being created and destroyed. And sometimes, only one of these particles is swallowed by the black hole. At that time, the particles that are not swallowed are repelled by the recoil and are flung far away. When you observe this from a distance, it looks like the black hole is emitting particles and reducing its energy and mass, making it smaller. This is called black hole evaporation. For example, it is thought that a black hole with the same mass as the Sun would take 10 to the power of 67 years to evaporate. For reference, the current age of the universe is around 10 to the power of 10. Black holes are said to eventually disappear, but it seems unlikely that we will ever witness that moment. So, what is it like inside a black hole, a celestial body shrouded in mystery? In conclusion, it is not very well understood. No matter what kind of matter or light it is, it cannot escape from inside the event horizon. This means that information will never flow from the inside of event horizon to the outside. There are theories that contradict this, but no matter how much we observe or try to find out what is inside, it is impossible to know what is inside. However, humans with advanced intelligence have come up with several hypotheses about the interior of black holes. One of the leading theories is that space and time become more complex when you cross the event horizon and enter the interior. According to Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, the roles of space and time are reversed inside an event horizon. In our world, we can usually move freely from side to side, front to back, and up and down. On the other hand, time always moves in one direction, from the past to the future. However, inside the event horizon, it is thought that the progression of time itself draws everything towards the gravitational singularity at the center. No matter how hard we try, just as we cannot return to the past, we cannot leave the gravitational singularity within the event horizon. If we could look outside the black hole here, we would be able to see objects and light falling towards the black hole all the time. so it would be extremely bright. In addition, because time progresses more slowly in a place with strong gravity than in places without, the universe outside will appear to be moving faster. While enjoying the view, you will approach the center of the black hole, a gravitational singularity that is an inevitable future. The density of a gravitational singularity is considered to be infinite in calculations. However, we have no idea what is actually happening or what it looks like. According to the theory of relativity, time itself seems to be destroyed in a gravitational singularity. But it is unclear what this means or whether such a thing really happens in the first place. One day, the mystery of black holes may be solved.